What's up, guys? Welcome back to the show. We just got back from the Bullhead Lake Trail in Glacier National Park, and it was amazing.
It was so beautiful. It was full of waterfalls. We passed like 3 lakes. It was an 8-mile hike, so it was a little long, but absolutely gorgeous on the east side of the park.
And we are famished, so we are going to cook up some sausage spaghetti. It's one of our favorite meals after a long hike. We're gonna go jump out of these sweaty clothes and crank up the Blackstone. Welcome back to Destination Delicious. Today we are preparing our sausage spaghetti and garlic parm ranch. Is that right? Garlic parm ranch? Parmesan ranch garlic bread.
Well, there's garlic powder.
Yeah, it's garlic bread, but it's got the Parmesan ranch. It's fancy garlic bread is what it is.
Because we're real fancy over here.
Yes, fancy camping is what we do.
What we love about the sausage spaghetti is it's super quick, it's hearty, and also easy to clean up.
And super delicious. We are cooking on our 22-inch Blackstone griddle. I'm going to crank up the heat to medium-low to brown the sausage. And you want to go start with the noodles?
Sure.
All right, Christy dropped the noodles in, so I am going to throw the sausage on the griddle. We love to eat local ingredients, so we found a local butcher called Farm to Market Pork, and we are going to be using their sausage today. And the bread we also got from a local market. That's one of the best things about traveling, is that everywhere you go, you're local. And hot.
While Spencer has the sausage going, I am going to work on the Parmesan Ranch garlic bread. We actually used Blackstone's Parmesan Ranch for the first time a few weeks ago, and it is so good. I've even put it on popcorn. I've had it on eggs.
Yeah.
It's so delicious. This bread is extremely soft.
It was made this morning.
That's what we like about local too. It's like fresh from the bakery. Now that I have it cut, I'm going to butter one side because we're gonna put these on the griddle. I've had my butter thawing, it's a little soupy, but it's fine, it doesn't matter.
You could pour it on.
Yeah, I could pour it on. The more better, the more better the better. The more butter the better.
The more butter the better?
Yeah.
More better butter?
Something like that. Hopefully I have enough butter. All right, so I'm going in with Parmesan Ranch first, and I am going all in.
You know how the noodles are doing?
Oh, I should probably check on those.
While she checks on the noodles, I'm gonna throw the sauce on the sausage, and I do that right on the griddle. It smells so good. So I just moved all the sauce over to this side, and I've turned the left side burner off so that the sauce will stay warm. And then I turned the right side burner to low so that Christy can get the garlic bread on there now.
We've got butter side down. That's gonna be the side that crisps up, has a nice little brown golden look to it when we take it off. And then the side facing up will stay soft, so again, we get that true texture. Garlic bread is perfect. That is what we're looking for. All right, these are ready to come off.
Yep. Oh my goodness, and they smell amazing.
So good. Just so good. And you can tell like it's still really soft on the other side. It's
and
gonna
that's gonna be crispity
perfect.
crunchity. All right, time to sauce the noodles.
If you couldn't have already guessed what our topping would be, it's gonna be Parmesan Ranch because it is so delicious. Look at that.
CJ likes to call this the post dust. I mean, I guess it's typical for spaghetti, but we're gonna put it in the post dust category anyway. I'm so ready for some spaghetti. So ready for spaghetti.
All right, are you ready to try it?
I'm so ready.
Me too.
The hike has me so hungry.
Should we like Lady and the Tramp style this?
Okay, yeah, we can do that. This isn't gonna be like a wedding cake thing where you just slam my face full of spaghetti sauces.
No, because I don't want it in return. Oh Wow.
That's so good.
That is really delicious. That sausage is really good.
It's fantastic. That's why we love eating local, because for one, we know that the ingredients are fresh and
we know where they came from.
We know where they came from.
Right.
And
locally sourced meat is just really awesome.
A lot better. They also just taste better.
The Parmesan ranch, love.
Perfect addition.
So good.
All right, let's try this.
Yeah, this
Parmesan ranch garlic bread.
looks so good.
The Parmesan ranch just adds a whole new dimension to garlic bread.
It has such a, I want to say like a rich flavor, but not an overpowering flavor. It just tastes so delicious.
And doing the garlic bread on the Blackstone kind of picks up the flavors from the sausage and the sauce that were on there before it. It just like ties everything together.
So good.
It's fantastic. Thank you guys for watching and joining us today. Check out blackstoneproducts.com for more information on the awesome griddles and the seasonings that we used. Go to the YouTube channel and watch Nate's show, CJ's show, Blackstone, Betty, and Todd Tovin.
If you guys try this with the sausage, leave us a comment below. Let us know what you think.
Yeah, we'd love to hear what you think about the recipe. And until next time, this is Destination Delicious. We will see you down the road.